Hello everyone, welcome to our cookie video. We are making a Millie's cookie today. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. First vloggy type of video I'm going to be doing. We're going to make cookies. Yeah, oh god guys, I'm really sorry about this shaky camera. Never held a camera like this before. We're going to make a giant cookie today. We're going to try.
Well, it probably won't be gigantic, but it would be bigger than, you know.
We're using a pizza tray, so hopefully that'll be big enough. We're using Tanya Burr's recipe, by the way. And if you've made them before, then you know they're absolute.
And if you haven't, go and check
you can literally put anything in them as well, so it's great. And you only have to cook them for like, well, when I've made normal cookies, it's like 11 minutes.
Yeah, I know I'm putting about 12.
So, yeah, let's go.
Let's make some cookies.
Because it's electric.
Right.
Come on then.
So we're just measuring the sugar first.
Making sure Lou has measured it correctly at home.
Should be 225, or should it?
Oh, there's more.
Oh, it should be 300 actually.
Oh, should it?
Yeah.
Oh, that little bit. 298. Well, that's basically the
Well, that'll do. Shove it in the bowl.
Shove it in the bowl.
And now we need
200 butter.
grams of butter.
200. Got some butter. Get the butter in. Plonk.
Of soft spread. Where's your nails gone?
Oh, come on.
Gutted. Just
Going on Tuesday anyway.
Look at them.
We can let it have one, can't we?
Now fluff until it is mixed together.
Oh, I need to get the mixer out.
Oh, you don't do it by hand?
No.
Oh wow.
What do you
Lazy.
So Lou is beating the sugar and butter.
You not got like a wooden spoon?
No, don't think so. I mean, I can have a look, but I don't think so.
Oh, that noise goes straight through me. Oh. Oh.
So guys, you have to beat the sugar and butter together first, in case you didn't get that.
Welcome to Jess and Lou's kitchen.
Yeah. We fancy just, you know, a nice chilled video, guys, so we're sorry if it's a bit, you know, boring, but you can just see how great this turns out.
Time for the egg. Always put a little bit of flour in with the egg. Don't need to curdle.
Oh god, the lighting's really bad here. Because the window, guys, sorry about us.
Oh no.
You're right there.
Oh, how do you turn it on? It's not even working.
There, you were donut. But now you're gonna have, oh god.
What did you say? It's 33 grams.
Oh, because the bowl, it's measuring the bowl as well now. You donut.
Well, it's fine. I measured it before we left.
Yeah, Lou's measured the flour and that already, so.
Right, just a bit of flour. Ready.
If she can crack it, guys.
Oh, what's that white thing?
Oh my god, just get the egg in.
Get the egg in. I might have like a little tip next time.
Might just go like plain and like short. Not too short, but shorter. Because that's what everyone's having, aren't they? Like short and plain. Like El Derby. She's got great nails. Add the flour. So now we're mixing in the flour, guys. Mix. What's the song called? Big cook, little cook. Welcome to our cafe. Alright, see you then. I'll do some mixing for you.
Big cook, little cook.
This is why I use a whisk, you see. Because
Yeah, but you gotta do the old fashioned way, it tastes better.
I'm not old fashioned. Oh, the spoon's out in my hand. Digging into me. we've got to go in it while Lily's doing that. We've got normal dairy milk. We've got some Milky Bar for our white chocolate. We've got some Giant Bar dairy milk. And some Smarties. So, but we're going to cut them up into like little chunks. So if I get, we'll just chop them on like a chopping board so it don't go everywhere. I'll get us a knife.
Starting with dairy milk.
Ooh, ooh. I love white chocolate, guys.
God, you're doing big. I don't do that big. Don't do a bit smaller.
Why?
Like
You want chunky chocolate in
like
there?
this.
That's tiny.
That's not tiny. That's too big.
It's not. That's tiny. Look at this, guys. It's so small. She wants the chocolate to be.
It's not small.
Who wants chocolate that small?
You
want a good chunk?
Taste it.
You just need them to be chunky.
Nah. All chopped. I'm ready to
Want to
go
see
in.
the chopped chocolate?
Let's get the camera down.
Ooh,
See babies.
You
made the chocolate
It's okay. It's a tiny bit. Whoops.
A tiny bit.
Whoops.
It's all over the gap.
It's alright. All goes in.
Oh, that's no, that's there's any more left in there?
No.
Well, that was rubbish. £1 for that. Rip off.
You know. I'm just tidying up, but guys, at the same time, look at me.
Just can't deal with mess.
I can't.
Whereas me, I just leave it there until I'm finished.
Yeah, but my dad's done the housework today. So,
Housework.
if it's a mess, he'll kill me. Alright? Alright there.
Let's show the peeps what it's looking like.
Okay.
So here is our gigantic cookie. It will get bigger when it goes in the oven.
Filming. Ooh.
It'll be massive when it goes in.
Ooh.
And it melts. Look at that
Get
goodness.
some food porn. Ooh. I wish you could see my face behind the camera because. Yep. So it's ready to go in the oven.
Ready?
We preheated the oven. Oh god. We preheated the oven to 200 degrees. Angles. It's good to be. I got a poke up my nose. Right, we're putting it in the bottom. In the bottom.
In the bottom.
Put it in the bottom.
Ready?
It's going in. Right. Woo. Right. The cookie is in the oven for 12 minutes and then we're going to see
what it's looking like.
I really want to have music on, guys, but
I'll sing for you.
I'll get copyrighted.
Oh.
The experience I was singing in the last video.
That wasn't a great video, was it?
No.
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 Did you see I put a sound effect on the last one as well?
Yeah, I did. Lily's getting better at the editing skills, guys. Unfortunately, I don't edit yet because I haven't got anything to edit on.
And I got OCD, so I kind of like it. I like it.
We both got OCD, but in different ways. Hello.
Oh, she's letting me.
Yeah, I'm not a hugger, guys.
I need to reply to this.
Lou's replying to her boyfriend, a BF. His name's Aaron.
Shout out!
Shout out to Aaron. Hi Aaron, love you. Guys, if you can find me a boyfriend, leave their CV down below. Thank you.
What did you just say? What did you just say?
I said if anyone can find me a boyfriend, leave their CV below. I would love and appreciate that, guys. Thank you. Guys, ignore the stuff on the table, you know what I mean? Just got the washing there, like, it's real time. We're not perfect here.
What's cooking? What's
Oh,
cooking?
hold on.
Oh my days. Look
massive?
at that.
Right, Mrs. Hinch.
Look at that cookie. Oh my days.
Does he wash up? Never wash up. Does he clean up? Oh, there's 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left.
He's so excited.
Yeah, but he might not. He might have to go in for longer.
T minus 2 minutes.
Got stuff all on my phone.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
We should get Alexa to tell us something.
Look at it. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why are horses great at cleaning? They're always hoofering.
Well done. Alexa, I love you.
Thanks for saying I love you. You're just as sweet as pie. Know that I'll be there for you. As always, you're just
Oh God. Alexa loves us, guys.
1 minute. Look at it, Jessica.
I've seen.
Look at it now. Get ready to show the people.
Okay, people, are we ready to see the cookie?
You might want to.
I'm putting it down so I can see what I'm filming. She's ready.
I'm ready.
Press the middle one. Yep. 16.
Oh my god, that smells so good. No, it's still wobbly.
Oh.
Maybe it's not cooked.
Okay, let's go back in with it, guys. Just maybe put it in for like a couple of minutes. Hi. Guys, I think this is the video where you find out that we're actually quite weird. Louis sat on the floor, look, waiting for the cookie, and I'm just here in front of the camera.
The alarm's going off, that means it's ready.
She's been sat here like this, guys, waiting for it.
It just smells like Christmas.
I think you're going to burn your hands with that.
I'm not.
You will.
Oh, good.
You need to put it on here.
I think it's cooked.
We'll find out. Here it is.
Oh, look at that.
So if you want to make a big cookie, guys, this is how to do it. Add whatever you want in it. Put it on a pizza tray. We'll line the tray too with baking paper, so it doesn't stick, hopefully. But yeah, that is it. We're going to have to leave it to cool now. We're back when it's cold. We'll be back when it is cool.
It's ready.
It's nice and cool.
It's still a little bit warm.
Well, it's good.
Look at it. I think it's going to be quite gooey in the middle. Let's hope it's cooked. The excitement.
Is that right, isn't it?
Oh, look at that gooiness in the middle.
Mob broke.
How's that pancake?
Hello. Hello, cookie. Okay, do this bit, guys.
It's literally like cookie now.
How about what?
That is so good. So guys, we're gonna go and eat the rest of this now. I can say it tastes amazing.
It tastes so good. It tastes like cookie dough.
Yeah. I think it maybe should need an extra bit of the oven, but here.
Yeah, but it'll be fine.
But we
hope you
liked
enjoyed
the
the video. We know it's a little bit different, and you know, not the most entertaining thing in the world.
But if you like it, go and make it yourself. Tanya Burr's cookies.
Yeah,
you can search it online.
Search online. Tanya Burr's cookies.
They are really nice, and they're like obviously made smaller. So
Yeah.
Go and give it a try. Give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe down below.
And we'll leave our Instagrams below, as always.
We shall see you in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye.